So today we're going to be unboxing the Vive XR Elite. Pretty excited to try this bad boy out. I've heard some good things. Now, of course, this is coming to us from HTC themselves. So this may not be exactly how how it arrives normally, right? All right, so this is the back strap. Obviously, it's heavy, and you want to know why it's heavy, because this is where the battery is, just like with the Vive Focus 3. We got our controllers here. Alright, so obviously, standard stuff. We got the front-facing rings, we got the two buttons, so it's standard fare. Joystick though, oh, looks like it's turning on. Joystick though is pretty good. It's got kind of this little like nub feel to it, so it's not as wide as other joysticks. So here's the guy itself. Look at that. So we have our 1 tracking, 2 tracking, and pass-through camera, right? It's just like it's glasses style, right? Look at that. Now the first thing that stands out to me, you got these itty bitty lenses. So here's the thing though. With this headset being in the form factor that it is, my hunch is that your eyes are going to be a lot closer to the lenses themselves than in other more traditional headsets. Therefore, we may still get a really wide field of vision with this guy. Not sure yet, right? Slides into place there. So there we go. Slides right into place there. So blocks out the light and gives you a nice little face cushion there. So good. All right. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you next time. I've got a headset to showcase.